Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. Yeah, Doge requires, or Doge at least shows us that we need a little bit more patience. Okay, it's a frustrating price action at the moment on several altcoin charts because there hasn't really been much progress. I mean, at least on the Doge chart, the market, after reacted here to the support area in December, at least it showed us a series of higher highs and higher lows. So we have a possible 5-wave pattern to the upside in what would be wave 1. Then this here could be some kind of a wave 2 in the white count. That's only one of the two scenarios I'm tracking. Actually, there are 3 on the chart, but for now we are looking for higher. Okay, and the white count is one of these scenarios in which the market formed a leading diagonal. It's a bit of an ugly one. I don't necessarily like this wave count, but it's the most bullish one, I'd say. Oh no, actually not. Actually, the yellow count is a bit more directly bullish, but it is still potentially bullish, at least as long as the market holds above the December low. Because if this is a wave 1, it's a leading diagonal, it's starting a new uptrend, then the pullback would be a wave 2 and should hold a higher low. So it is labeled A wave, and the B wave might actually still be unfolding, A, B, C in wave B, and then a move down in wave C, and then we could move up from there. So we have a so-called 1-2 setup, but a questionable 1-2 setup, because the wave 2 is first of all not yet finished, at least there's no evidence it is, and the wave 1 is a very ugly diagonal pattern. For example, what would be the wave 4 of 1 is too deep to be reliable. But that's only one scenario. So again, the invalidation point, I mentioned that is the December low at around 26.3 cents. And there is no evidence at the moment for a substantial low, for example, in a wave 2. So I expect the market to move a bit lower in the white count, but possibly not until we have formed a wider wave B. So that takes us to the yellow scenario. In the yellow count, a low could form at any point, but again, also here, there's no evidence for it yet. So in the yellow count, we're also dealing with a diagonal pattern, but it's a more aggressive one. It's a more directly bullish one. Let me show you. So in this scenario, we have a 1-2 setup, which is labeled slightly different. So we have a wave 1, then A, I haven't labeled that, A wave down, overshooting B wave, C wave down. I kind of like that idea because what would be the C wave, which started up here to the downside around the 4th of January, we know that a C wave would normally be a 5-wave move, and this here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it works out quite well. And then obviously if it's an extended diagonal pattern, so wave 1, wave 2, then the third wave should also be an ABC structure. So we have wave A, done. B wave, no evidence it's complete. Okay, no evidence. But here we can see now this micro support area, which is relevant for this yellow B wave. So wave A to the upside from the 13th of January low. Wave A probably topped. And the B wave might still be unfolding, but shouldn't really break below 33.3 cents. Also here, a break below it, it wouldn't invalidate the structure, but it would make it less likely. We might then say that maybe in the white count, we're already in the white C wave, but ultimately, this is a support area to watch. And as long as the 33.3 cent level is holding, the bulls could turn up here and start wave C to the upside in wave 3. Then we get another 4-5 pattern. Just note that any rally that starts from here could also be within the white count, just a more extended B wave. This is just like the microstructure. Basically, all it means is we have 2 support areas here. The lower one would be relevant in case the directly bullish ones that I just shared with you will be invalidated. The first invalidation point is the 13th of January low at around 31.3 cents. That's the first invalidation point for the yellow count, which is more directly, more aggressively bullish. And below that level, the second invalidation point is the December low at around 26.4 cents. Below that level, we have to assume this wave 4 never bottomed. So we don't really have strong evidence lower in. The 25-cent level is seen as main support because this would be for the larger wave 4. But we have short-term support at 33.3 cents. Clearly the price is respecting that fib area here, but without any clear buying momentum. Yeah. So what do we need to watch out for now? I think we need to watch out for this support area. Does it actually hold? At the moment it is, but we haven't really seen a clear reversal signal to the upside, okay, or attempt. A sustained break above that last high at 40.2 cents. That's what we need to watch for. That would be first evidence that yellow wave C to the upside has started. And I would also pay attention here to the trend line of that wedge pattern, or call it a diagonal pattern. Because if we get one more rally, it might find some resistance there, especially because it pretty much cuts here the 48-cent level, which is relevant because it's one of the previous swing highs. And yeah, this should, it should give you a good idea of the levels. Overall, therefore, we're watching for higher prices. Just can't really confirm a local low yet. And you also have now all the invalidation points for the different structures. But the most stable element on the chart at the moment is this area between 25 cents and 28.5 cents, basically larger degree support. That's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you're interested in the membership, feel free to check out the video on our channel page. It includes information about our membership and the benefits and everything. As a member, you get access to member-only videos. Today, I uploaded Dog with Hat, for example, many others in the days before. You get access to our live stream, our weekly live stream. Happens every Sunday, so tomorrow at 5 p.m. UTC. And as a gold member, you also get access to our Discord server. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.